The Ambaji Shakti Peeth, located in the Arasur Hills of Banaskantha district in Gujarat, is a unique and mysterious place for seekers and devotees. This is no ordinary temple. Here, the form of the goddess is neither in an idol nor visible in any traditional form. It is revered as a Shakti Peeth because it is said that Sati's heart fell here, and for this reason it is considered the main center of life-giving energy among all the 51 Shakti Peeths. Here, the formless energy and divine consciousness of Adi Shakti are permanently present. Ambaji Shakti Peeth is not only a center for tantric practices, but devotees here also experience strength, courage, and inner energy. In the main temple, the Sri Visa Yantra installed inside the Sanctum Sanctorum, the footprints of the goddess on Gabar Hill, and the eternal flame are present. All these elements provide devotees with a unique spiritual experience. This is the 7th chapter of the great saga of Shakti Ambaji Shakti Peeth. The temple of Ambaji Mata, also known as Arasuri Amba, is located in the Banaskantha district of Gujarat. This temple is unique not only spiritually but also geographically, as it is situated near the source of the Saraswati river. The architecture of the temple is made of white marble, and its golden spire makes it grand and divine. The main complex of the temple is surrounded by the Chacha Chokana, where Havan rituals, Navratri Garba, and folk cultural ceremonies are held. In addition, this pilgrimage site is based on a dual structure. The main temple is in the city, while Gabar Tirth is considered the original abode of the goddess. The mythological significance of Ambaji Shakti Peeth is connected to the story of Sati and Shakti. It is said that various Shakti Peeths came into existence where the body parts of goddess Sati fell, and in this sequence, the site of Ambaji became a center of special energy. Gabar Tirth is also associated with the form of Adi Shakti as Mahishasura Mardini. It is here that the goddess, with her weapons and power, vanquished the demon Mahishasura. Over time, Ambaji is also mentioned in the Ramayana, Dwapar, and Mahabharata. From here, Ram received the invincible arrow, Krishna underwent his mundane first hair-cutting ceremony, and the Pandavas received blessings before going to war. There is no idol of the goddess in the Ambaji temple. Instead, the sacred Visa Yantra is worshipped in the Sanctum Sanctorum. This yantra symbolizes 51 seed syllables and sacred geometry. Here, viewing or photographing the yantra is strictly prohibited. Devotees are instructed to cover their eyes before the worship. This yantra connects practitioners to unique energy and spiritual power, and is considered the representative center of all Shakti Peethas. There are 4 artis performed daily at Ambaji: Mangala Arti, Rajbhog, Sandhya, and Shayan Arti. Devotees experience the divinity of the goddess through these artis. Especially during Navratri and Bhadarvi Punam, the temple and the courtyard come alive. Here, Garba, Bhavai, and other cultural events further enhance the enthusiasm of the devotees. About 4 to 5 kilometers from the main temple is Gabar Tirth, the original abode of the goddess. There are 999 steps here, and the eternal flame and the footprints of the goddess at the summit are symbols of divinity for the devotees. The worship of the secret tantric yantra in the main temple and the public eternal flame on Gabar Hill together create a dual structure. Devotees intensify their devotion and spiritual energy by circumambulating Gabar Hill. Bhadarvi Punam is the biggest fair of Ambaji. Millions of devotees come here on foot. During Navratri, special havans, Jawara rituals, and Garba songs around the Garbhadeep are performed. Secret rituals for tantric practices and the worship of the Sri Visa Yantra grant practitioners accomplishment and spiritual advancement. Here, one can witness a unique blend of rituals and folk cultural performances. Ambaji Shakti Peeth is not just a center for the worship of Shakti, but also a symbol of spiritual energy, consciousness, and tantric knowledge. Here, devotees awaken their inner strength and receive guidance from the goddess. This great saga does not simply end here. Every Shakti Peeth, every ritual, and every spiritual practice reminds us of the eternal dance of Shakti and Shiva. So viewers, this was the 7th chapter of the grand saga of Shakti, Ambaji Shakti Peeth. Here, the formless energy of the goddess, profound tantric practices, and extraordinary rituals allow devotees to experience power, courage, and inner consciousness. In the next chapter, we will take you to another mysterious Shakti Peeth, where the energy of the goddess and profound secrets still transcend worldly boundaries. Stay tuned to the new chapter of the epic saga of Shakti to discover such amazing, mysterious, and divine topics. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next mysterious chapter of the epic saga of Shakti.